Hello everyone. So today I have this HP 15 notebook, HP 15 laptop before me. It's got boot up problem. So this computer does not boot up Windows. It came with Windows 10 pre-installed, and the owner I just told me that the computer is just a little over a year, and it has refused to boot up. Okay, so and I've carried out several repair options. As here. So I've gone to troubleshoot. In troubleshoot, I try to reset the computer by keeping the existing files in it. I did that. It took over 2 hours, and then it came up to say it was reverting. I'm not sure what is really wrong in it. So it reverted the restore and then came to this point. Still not booting up. What else have I done? I've also gone to troubleshoot. In troubleshoot, I've gone to advanced. In advanced, I've tried startup repair. I've tried startup repair up to 5 times, yet the computer is still not booting up. I've uninstalled updates. I've done that. I've uninstalled update all the recent updates. I've done that. The computer is still not working. It's still not booting. Windows is still not booting up. What I've done, I've also done system restore. I've also gone to system restore. System restore, I've done system restore 3 times. I've used up all the restore points. Funny, yet it's still not booting to Windows. So what else could I do? Yeah, so what else can I do? I've gone to command prompt also, and command prompt I did a check disk with /F/R to repair the disk. That went through successfully, but yet Windows is still not booting. And my concern here is the files that are the user's file in it. So I have 2 options. One, to open it up, bring out the hard drive, connect it as a slave drive to another computer and copy out all the files. And these HP computers, it's not easy to open up. I'm talking about these HP 15 laptops. It doesn't have a separate compartment window where you can easily open up and remove the hard drive. If I'm to do that, I have to take up the entire back plate, all the screws at the back, take up the entire back plate before I can access the hard drive. However, I can use command prompt. One thing I can do at this point is to connect a flash drive like this, depending on the size of the file. or I'll save an old hard drive with the interface and use command prompt to copy all the files across. Okay, so that's what I want to do. The user has told me the important files are the desktop and document folders. I'll connect this to the computer. Connect this to the computer, to one of the USB ports on the computer, and then go with the option, and that's the user's name. I'll type in the password the user has given me. You get it right. Okay, so all right, so right here I want to use command prompt to transfer the user's file to an external drive, and then afterwards I will go for recovery. I know since recovery will wipe out everything in the computer, and I don't want to go through the hassles of opening up the computer and then getting the hard drive out, slaving it to another computer. So yeah, I have command prompt open before me. What do I want to do first? I want to change directory. I want to go to C. C is there. I want to list the directory in C. Okay, that's a better view. So here I have the directories in C listed, and so I'm interested in users. I'm interested in users. Next, I want to see the users in this folder called users. I want to see the user. So the command is dir just the right command is dir space dash dash okay. Okay, that also comes up with a list of the, here are the users in the computer. There are just one user, and it's a user. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That is the user. Okay, so I can go further on that command and say user, and then we have all the folders. So the files in these folders, this is what I'm interested in, from document, from desktop to document, downloads. So all of these files are my interest. All the files in these folders are my interest. Okay. So here is the command I've used before, and it worked. Here is the command I've used before and it worked. And okay, so I'm going to use xcopy. So I'm going to use xcopy space /h space /i space /c space /k space what else? There's an error here. /e space /r space /y. I'm going to combine /y space then I'll put space destination drive. Before this, let's find out the drive letter attached or assigned, the drive letter assigned to the USB attached to the computer. And okay, so the drive letter here is F. So you can see little tilt here. You can see here that drive F. So when I listed the directories in drive F, gave me the drive name. The volume drive is F, and this is the name on it, and these are the files in it. Very few files. I should actually remove them. So the drive letter attached here is F. So here is the command I'm using. I'll put that in the description so you can easily use it. So copying, using xcopy to copy from using xcopy and copying using this command. So you can okay, so you hit enter. Then it starts running. This will take a long while, so I'm just going to let it run till the end. Yeah, the files have started copying. Sometimes it might take over an hour or thereabouts. And okay. Tell me what you
Tell me what you want.